Hey guys, what's up? This is a part two. My computer is acting so strange. That's why I'm gonna have to start doing parts. Ah! It's very loud out there for some reason. I'm not even gonna look outside. Oh my god, they're being so loud. One second. Think I should pause this until I close the window. I thought that wouldn't happen. Hold on, let me close my window. All you guys can hear people yelling. Alright, now it's pretty quiet in here. Back to the YouTube video. Okay. Alright, so I'm here with other friend. Shout out to James CSDN. He is one of my friends from on this game, and we just met, but like we're friends. Cause he's waiting for me out over there at level 10, so I have to just get past this and able to get to him. So I better hurry up, cause I just get nervous when people are in the same thing as me. Like in real life, I'm so claustrophobic. Ugh! It's lag. It's hard. This level's hard. Hang on. Hang on. Bah! Ah! Let's just keep doing that. I gotta get over there. So, oof. There goes one. Oh! Oh my god, we died at the same time and the same way. It has to be in the morning. It has to be in the morning. What does he mean? What you mean? In the morning? Hang on. Should I check my phone? Let's see. Discord. Oh yeah, guys, I have Discord. My name is Alone and my tag is 6742. And I'm gonna make a server for everybody in my YouTube server. And all of us can chat and stuff like that. I'll be doing streams. The moment you wake up, it goes. It goes. What does he mean? What do you mean by what do you mean by goes? What do you mean by goes in the morning? I hope this isn't some older stuff. What do you mean by goes? Like, what are you talking about right now? I don't understand his language. How? How? I didn't even touch it. He pushed me. Ugh. I'm probably gonna have to make a new. Oh no, because I cleared out all my storage. So it'll work. Oh, I'm just gonna snap. I'll be right. Just finished that other one. Oh, Jesus, look at this money.